fight my way out of here. Shiny boy. Where'd a Bubba at, bro? Oh shoot, he's behind me. Oh shoot, run! Huh. He's just looking around like, yo, what is happening? Alright. I can go open this door maybe. Oh, they already opened it. Lol. Lol. Guessing my teammates got this open over here. The Virginia's slamming the door.
Okay.
My teammates are just running all over the place.
I should keep this.
Oh no, I need more endurance, bro. I'm too slow. They got a Sissy, Cook, and a Bubba. Not a very good team. Well, I guess like a bad team, but a Sissy is kind of troll. Oh, that's not good. Did she stall or?
Everywhere.
Got him. Poor little guy.
Gotta find help.
I must find help. Poor little guy, dude. I'm just a baby. I'm gonna try turning it back on. The Virginia. Dude. Do it, bro. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. She got more powder, too. That's crazy. This poor, poor Baba, dude. Unlucky, bro. Oh, it's turning back on. Oh, nope. Yeah, it's gonna. Virginia's a really crazy character, isn't she? Oh, she's sawing down the door. Got him. And blind. There you go. There you go. That's how it's done, dude. Backstab them blind. That's how you do it, bro. Ain't no thing but a chick. Two PC players. I do have a leather face. Okay. Door's just not shutting. Oh, my teammates are dead.
This'll help. Okay.
Dude, there's so much stuff next to doors.
I got this.
Nice. Okay, I get out. Cool. Cook is in the basement, huh? Nice.
I have to make it.
I have to make it. GG. Alright, sonny boy. Shenny boy. Let's go. Let's do this. There's no toolbox there.
You're alive.
Danny, you're alive. Oh. He didn't open this. Wait, they have a Leatherface? Oh, they do. Oh, shit. And a Johnny. Johnny starts pretty far, though, so shouldn't be a problem. He was waiting for me to use my tool. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Shut this door on me, you little bitch. Oh, everyone's over here. Everybody spread out. Oh shit, there's a Johnny right there. Well, I don't have to worry about traps, so that's kind of cool. Got him. He swung on that. Oh, there's a fuse right here.
I gotta watch out.
The sissy's blind. Woo! Got both of them in there. That's a little scary, bro. Sissy's trying to chase me? Kind of. Okay, they don't know. Wait, they know now. Or, oh, they're stupid. Never mind. I weld. They didn't know. Now we got battery off. Nice. I'm trolling. Reset. I thought the Johnny was coming, but he actually kept running. Is this Johnny? Fuck. Oh, it's Sissy, I think. The fuck? And other face in the base? Why is this shut again? You motherfuckers. These fucking teammates keep shutting the door on the Bubba.
Finally. I think I lost him.
Is this my teammate? I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's Connie. She's just trolling over here. I kind of want to go back. I am pretty squishy though. There's no heals over here? Oh, here we go. There we go.
I got this.
Could do fuse, pressure valve. I want to do pressure valve.
I should grab that.
Yeah, these are baby family players. Figure out where the pressure valve is. Is it back over here? Oh, it is, I think, right? It's actually kind of bad that Johnny and Sissy keep wanting to go over here. There's no bone scrap over here. Someone's over here. Is that my teammate or is that?
Yeah, that's my teammate, right? Or oh, it's because Leatherface is over here, I think. Sissy's coming. Okay.
Is there a bone scrap over here somewhere? Bone pile? Are they turning the fuse off or valve off? The valve is still going. Is it gonna go off? It is. Perfect timing. GG. God. What's this guy's doing, bro?